Hello friends, welcome to my famous, well-known, creative, informative, popular and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning using stimuli such as age and gender detection, then attendance system, many more videos, then facial emotion recognition, one video, then chatbot and many more videos on stimuli. Using Python we have done facial emotion recognition, image classification using TensorFlow, Keras, then image recognition using ResNet, and many more videos on Python machine learning. Today's video is really creative and interesting. Today's video is a new style with gender and age detection. I have covered all the possibilities of gender and age detection in this video, from image also and from live image also, live face detection. So let us go through the program. First of all, this is the program code. Now I will execute the program. First of all, we will take the live age and gender detection from the live face. Please be patient. Now yes, it is detected male and age is predicted, not actual age, it is predicted. Now I will take the image of female. Yes, it is detecting. Yes, fine. And actual age is also prediction correct. We can check it out. Yes. I am predicting the age. No. Yes. Yes, it is detecting. Fine. Now I will take the image. From the image I will check the age and gender classification. Now you have seen latest video of Madhur Dixit, photo from male and female detection. Now we will take the image of Shah Rukh Khan to detect. Yes, it is detecting from the image also. Now I will take the photo of Madhuri. Yes, fine. So I successfully done with all the possibilities of age and gender detection using Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning, stimuli, gender and age detection in new style, then image classification using TensorFlow, Keras, then Seaborn library, then support vector machine, then ResNet library, and many more videos. If possible, video on MongoDB. If possible, video on React.js and Node.js, merge stack full stack using React.js and Node.js, and merge stack full stack using Python, Flask, and if possible Flask with React. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.